Okay, hi everyone. Before I start this video, I'll introduce myself first. My name is Hakone, you can call me Haki. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like this channel. Washington Reuters. The, dem- the Democratic in U.S. House of Representatives approved a 430 billion-dollar bill on Friday that is seen as the biggest climate package in U.S. history, delivering a major legislative victory for President Joe Biden ahead of the November 8 midterm election. The legislation to fight climate change and lower prescription drug price aims to cut domestic greenhouse gas emissions. It will also allow Medicare to negotiate lower drug price for the elderly and ensure that corporations that and the wealthy pay the tax the owe. Democrats say it will help combat inflation by reducing the federal deficit. The House voted 220 till 207 along party line to pass the measure titled the Inflation Reduction Act and send it on to Biden to sign into law. The Senate approved the legislation on Sunday after a marathon 27-hour session. Biden said he would sign the bill in the week ahead. Then the White House will hold a celebration on September 6 in honor of what he said was historic legislation. Today, the American people want special interest laws, Biden said in a Twitter. Democrats hope the legislation will help them at the polls in November when voters decide the balance of power in Congress ahead of the 2024 presidential election. Republicans are favored to win a majority in the House and could also take control of the Senate. It is a resounding victory for America's females, Pelosi declared just before the vote, describing the legislation as a robust cost-cutting package that meets the moment, ensuring that our families thrive and that our planet survives. Biden plans to travel across the country to tout the bill along with a series of other legislative victories at a time when many voters have soured on him amid soaring inflation. About half of Americans support the climate and drug pricing legislation, including 69% of Democrats and 34% of Republicans, according to a Reuters Ipsos poll conducted on August 3 and 4. Business groups have had a mixed reaction to the legislation, which over the prospect of higher tax bill for some companies, while at the same time giving protection to the fossil fuel industry. Republicans oppose the legislation, warning it will kill jobs by raising corporate tax bill, further fuel inflation with government spending, and inhibit the development of new drugs. Democrats, more than any other majority in history, are addicted to spending other people's money, regardless of what we as a country can afford. House Republican leader Kevin McCarthy said in a floor speech, "The bill has been more than 18 months in the making. It represents a final version of Biden's original sweeping Build Back Better plan, which had to be whittled down in the face of opposition opposition from Republicans and key legislators from his own party. Investors looking to pour cash into clean energy products can expect at least a decade of federal subsidies through long-term tax credit for wind and solar, and new credit for energy storage, biogas, and hydrogen. Developers who use US-made equipment or build in poorer areas will have additional support. Okay, maybe that's all I say. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and see you next time.